Metong beses kang meligtas, parati na kang ligtas. Sabi kayong salita na ning Ginoo kayong John 6 verse 37 to 40, all that the Father giveth me shall come to me, and him that cometh to me I will no wise cast out. Na nino man deng lumapit kayong Ginoong Jesucristo, sabi na kayong salita na, alino itakwil, alina la itaboy. And sabi na, for I came down from heaven not to do mine own will, but the will of him that sent me. Na makanita ka importante itang gewa ng Ginoong Jesucristo na menibatan niya king langit, binabaya, at sabi na kang verse 39, and this is the Father's will which hath sent me, that of all which he hath given me, I should lose nothing, but should raise it up again at the last day. And this is the will of him that sent me, that everyone which seeth the Son and believeth on him may have everlasting life, and I will raise him up at the last day. Nasabi na kayo ni nang ninuman ing menampalataya kang Ginong Yesus. Ing Ginong Yesus yung sasabi kayo ni, sabi na, di na neng everlasting life o biyalananga. Na buri kong isipan nyo, nung menampalataya ka kayong Ginoo, ing Ginong Jesucristo balo na ita. Ing Diyosig pa balo na ita. At kayo nilawen mo, ing Ginong Jesucristo yang mangako kaya katamo, at kayong Diyosig pa, uling binyan na katamo, sabi na, I will raise him up at the last day. Na pangako ko king tatawling aldo na nimbiya mo kiti king yato, talakad kang pasibayo at bumye ka, uling menampalataya ka kaya. Na misan pa, kening versikulo John 6 verse 37 to 40, metong beses kamong meligtas, parati na kang ligtas.